In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expand a text box in a PDF document using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This can be particularly useful if you need to make more space for text or adjust the layout for readability. Let's dive right in and guide you through the process step by step. First things first, you'll need to open your PDF document in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This powerful tool allows you to make various edits to your PDF files, and it's quite handy when working with text boxes. Make sure you have the software installed and updated to the latest version to ensure you have access to all the features. Once you've opened your PDF in Acrobat Pro DC, locate the text box you wish to resize. This will typically be a highlighted area within your document that contains text. Simply click on this text box to start the resizing process. If the text box doesn't have a clear outline, look for small handles or markers at the corners or edges. Clicking on the text box essentially activates it for editing. Now, to expand the text box, move your cursor over one of the corners or edges of the text box. You'll notice that your cursor changes into a double-sided arrow. This is an indicator that you can start clicking and dragging to adjust the size of the text box. Position your cursor at the corner of the text box for maximum flexibility in resizing. It's important to note that hovering over the edges usually allows you to adjust the height or width individually, but starting from the corners gives you the ability to change both at once. After you've positioned your cursor, click and hold as you drag the handle outward or inward to change the size of the text box to your desired dimensions. As you do this, you might observe the text inside the box reflowing or adjusting its alignment, so keep an eye on how the content fits within the new dimensions. You can expand the box to make room for more text, or shrink it if you wish to condense the space. Remember, it's all about achieving the desired look while maintaining readability, so be mindful of not making the text too cramped or giving it too much empty space. Take some time to experiment with the sizing until it aligns with your needs. Acrobat Pro DC allows for quite intuitive text box resizing, so don't hesitate to try different sizes. And there you have it, a resized text box in a PDF document using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This simple technique can greatly enhance the appearance of your document, allowing for optimal text presentation. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're now equipped with the know-how to manage your PDF layouts more effectively. Thanks for watching and happy PDF editing.